Merry Christmas, baby Frodo. Shall I give you some French fries? Is that too big? There you go. Little Frodo, are you excited that Christmas is tomorrow? Dude, quit dropping the fries over the bed. You eat the fries. Frodo! This is not how you do that. Here, will you eat this? Quit dropping everything over the bed. Come on, you can eat. Get it in your mouth. Are we gonna watch the Flintstones? Good boy. Oh. All right. Good boy.